Righto, all sorts of weird things today. Got all the cameras running. Basically got a heap of new gear, so I want to try and ride it in. New gloves that I'm trying out. I've got a new jersey on, it's all bright and shiny. New pants. I've got new socks that are the MX socks that come all the way up so that they cover for knee braces. That's cool. And new body armor. All new gear. I've got to try it on because I reckon I might be using it this weekend as well. So I've got a personal policy that I must always carry one form of communication on me, just in case I get separated from the bike. I don't want my phone and everything in there. So I've got my Garmin inReach, or my mobile phone, or my second mobile phone, which connects to Garmin, on me. Well, I don't have that option because I'm wearing all this MX gear. So today, for the first time, I'm wearing a bum bag. Anyway, let's go from here. Yeah, you can land. I'll let you. Oh, you are in the dirt. You poor thing. How grubby are you? Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Oh my God, the camera. Oh, that needs cleaning. All right, better do that before anything goes horribly wrong. All right, so because I'm using a bum bag and not my usual stuff, microphone placement has been changed. I've got a microphone now in my bum bag. I used to put it right here, but geez, it gets dirty. I put it there because I wanted the exhaust noise, but it gets filthy, and if it comes off with the bike, it comes off with the bike. Now on my little bum bag, there's like a netted pocket that I can close with a tension rope, so it shouldn't fall out. It could sit quite nicely right here on this side. It might capture the bike noise. Let's see. Yeah. Alright, let's go. Right now I'm just in some little river reserve outside of Elmore. So where are we heading? Well, we're gonna head down Tooleen Way and into, now what's down there? There's a couple of little reserves down there. Both of them start with K. Kimbolton near Epilock, I wouldn't mind getting into that a little bit. But there's another reserve down near Tooleen that we're sort of going to play around with. So that'll be good. Not a bad day, it's warm. So there's that, which is good because I want to wear this stuff in. I want to get it dirty and I want to see how well ventilated it is because, yeah, like I said, it's going to be a warm day. And already I can feel, because I stopped and did that little bit of video back there, I was stationary and had the opportunity to just start sweating. And the moment I've gotten moving, I can feel where the air is coming in because it's cooling my perspiration. So I could feel it in the behind the body armor on my chest, which is great. Captain Slow in the truck. Hay's tied down. I'm not going to be following that. give you the hot tip. The moment we get past these lines, we're going. Double white lines. Ugh. Yep, we are not going to be here for long. Indicator's already on. Punch it, Chewy! Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. It'll be interesting to hear what sort of noise the ambient microphone's catching bike-wise. Fellow motorcyclist, hey? Bit of a cruiser boy, but not a snob! He's not a snob! Yeah! Thought he might have been one of them Harley snobs. We're going down here. Whee! This will turn to dirt with any luck. Who wants to see some drongo claiming to be an adventure rider just cruising on bitumen? How boring. How boring for you all. Hey? Is there any discussion I can have that would make this an interesting video? Yeah, probably, but is there anything coming to mind? No. What I need is one of those weird facts like, did you know a turtle can breathe through its butt? I'm not sure that's true, but I've heard it. Oh, gravel road, baby. We're in 6. Better drop a couple of gears. There we go. Lock it in. Oh. I say, so the good part about this now, I'm standing, is with these pants on, I can feel the breeze all the way around my legs. I was sitting down there on the vinyl for a while, and I'm not shy to say I can definitely feel the cool breeze on my butt now. I mean, that's all what you wanted to hear about, wasn't it? Cool breeze on my butt. Now I've got a couple of batteries in the GoPro. I might do something different and just let it roll. I've got two, like obviously I've got the helmet GoPro and the bike GoPro, and I don't often just leave them running, but this is just a random little ride, so hopefully a short ride. And I'm not taking this video too seriously today, so what the hell? Just let it roll. Just pinging down the road. Oh, there we go. We'll close that up. Yep, probably should have cleaned this visor before I left. Oh, I can't see if there's any. I haven't adjusted my mirrors to see if there's anything behind me. Normally when I'm going to be adventure riding, I adjust one of my mirrors so that I can see what's behind me when I'm standing up. I might do that because I'm getting paranoid. Make it this one, then I can handle this one. Yeah, that gives me an idea. That's not bad. Righto, off I go. Wrap it on. I think the old bum bag's sort of beside me at the moment. Oh no, it's back. That's good. Not very scented. Scented?